Hello. Hey, how are you? Oh yeah, absolutely. Can we talk about it a little later, please? I'm actually shooting for an episode right now. Sure. Yeah, thank you. Hey me fans, I am Sumit and welcome to yet another episode of Terrific Tech Tuesdays. Today I'm here to talk about one of my most favorite products and a product which we just launched today. Yes, you guessed it right. I'm here to talk about the all-new Mi Dual Driver Earphones. The Mi Dual Driver Earphones basically redefine your sound experience by expanding on the soundstage. What this essentially means is that this earphone is intelligent enough to subsegment your music into highs, mids, and lows. But what exactly are dual driver earphones? How do they produce such rich sound? And why should you believe me? Exactly. To gain your trust, we will disassemble two earphones. One is obviously a standard single dynamic driver earphone, whereas the other one would be the Mi Dual Driver earphone. The idea is to showcase component level differentiation across both of them. So let's get into it. This is a pair of single driver earphones disassembled, and this is the only sound driver it consists of, which focuses mainly on the bass, resulting in loss of other details which are received from the mids and the high frequencies. Now let me show you what's inside a pair of Mi Dual Driver earphones. One driver, which of course focuses on producing sparkling treble, letting the high frequency notes like that of guitars and lead solos really shine. And this is what makes our latest earphones the Dual Driver earphones. This second driver produces rich bass complementing the highs and the mid frequencies. And that's how the Mi Dual Driver earphones give you the most balanced and rich audio experience. Introducing a brand new feature in Xiaomi's wired audio category and one of the most sought after features, the magnetic suction on the Mi Dual Driver earphones. So whenever you are storing them, make sure that these are magnetically locked. Now this magnetic lock, along with this particular braided cable, essentially makes your earphone tangle free and is available for instant usage whenever you want it. Talking about the braided cables, they don't just make your earphones tangle free, but also at the same time add immense strength and durability to your earphones. It can literally lift 2 kg dumbbells without breaking a sweat. Trust me, we have tried it. Extending from the braided cable, what you see on your left is an inline remote. Now this inline remote comes with a dedicated mic for all your video calls and for your regular calls. But at the same time, it also features 3 dedicated buttons on top of it. Now the top and the bottom button can be used as volume rocker for basically controlling your multimedia content. But at the same time, it also features a third distinctive button which when long pressed can trigger your favorite voice assistant. Also, you can just tap onto it to play or pause your favorite multimedia content. Speaking about voice assistants, the Mi Dual Driver earphones are compatible with both iOS and Android devices, which means that you can long press the middle button to access any of your favorite assistants, whether it be Amazon's Alexa, Siri, or the Google Assistant. So there you have it, the brand new Mi Dual Driver earphones. You can check them out by clicking on the link which is available in the description below. Also, we hope you found this material useful. Keep coming back to the channel for more and more tech content. This is Sumit signing off, and I will see you in the next one.